everyone. So today we're making band sets. I know there's loads of videos on it. This is just my way of doing it. I did make a video a while ago, well, about over a year ago to be fair, but I've changed since then. So this is just a little less like I said, nothing wrong with how people do it. It's how they do it, but for me, you know, it shouldn't take no longer than it needs to, and this is just my way of doing it, and it, you know, it's done all right by me. So we'll get into it. So I've got a 0.65 precise, and I'm working in reverse, so I've actually already filmed this. So this is my hunting setup. So 24-12, and this is what I'll be slinging the lead with. It's 160 active. I've got a bit of poke there. Yeah, so that's what we're going to. Right, as you can see, I was get 2 offcuts from that. Right, so what I've got here, as I said earlier, is a 2012 taper, and this is what I use for my lead for hunting. So what I would do, so mark 10mm at the pouch end, then grab a pouch, and today we'll be using let's go, right, we'll go with a pit pouch from GZK. Right. where this comes in handy. So, you know, a lot of people say, I mean, these are used, so they're already stretched, but anybody that uses a pit pouch know that they can be a bit tight when you get them, but there's no need to stretch them. Just put that in there. Just get a corner of it, nip it through. There you go. That's in there like that. Fold it, and all I do, it's off camera, but it's in the mouth. I pinch it, put that on there, and then right now we've got the band and the jig. Just a little bit of amber belt. Stretch it a little bit. And then I go around about 7 times for 6/5. If it was 4/5 or 5/5, I'll probably go around 5. And then just two little knots does it for me. I mean, a lot of people do the wrap and tuck. For me, it's just too fiddly, takes too much time. And this seems to work well. Cut that off like that. And then trim the excess. There we go. Not too bad. Right, I'll band the other one up and I'll come back to you after. Right, so as you can see, they're on. I have some people like the those on the outside, same as myself, but some do put them on the inside. I just the only trouble is with the outside, they do if you anchor close to the cheek like I do, they do leave a mark, but it's not ideal in this cold weather. But there you are. Anyway, right, so what I do now, a lot of people mark the bands before, you know, they stretch them and stuff, so but what I do now, so that's that should be from pouch end, yeah, 170. So 170 there. What I do with 6/5 is I'm about 160. So what I do now is I just stretch the band with the pouch on. Now I believe I've been doing this for about, I did do a time band set a long time ago, probably over a year ago, but I've changed since then. That's why I'm redoing it, and I believe I see Nick Hegarty do this way, or I read he did it like this. I'm sure from Hegarty Slings, I'm sure it was him. If I'm wrong, then obviously yeah, but someone can correct me, but I'm most sure he tied his. I see him like, see a video or read about it a long time ago, and this is how I've been doing it ever since. So it's on the pouch, just stretch it, then just get a pen. So it's gone over now, so it was 170, stretching it, it's gone to 175. So I'll go 160. That's the same. Right, so I got my, this is my my hunting frame, believe it or not. And so we're going to wrap it on. So the first one, just the bite, so it holds it, and I go around, and then I tuck the excess like this, like so, and then I go around like that, and then I put my, as soon as I've done that, I put my string in. It's fiddly trying to record and get it in a shot. And then I usually go around about 3 times after that. So 1, 2, 3. I don't like a load of don't like it too thick. There's no need for it, I don't think. Never had no problem with it. And then pinch. Now you can, you know, they say trim it in that, but I just pull it through and then I trim it after. There you go. There's one. Make sure the bands are level. Yep, there we go. And then repeat. I used to hate wrap and tuck. I was a big clip fan. When I got the Titan, the clips on that and them are the best in my opinion. And but just lately I've had a few, especially since I've been making my own frames. Obviously I do it in wrap and tuck, and yeah, I'm starting to enjoy it, to be fair. I quite like it. I've not barring my Titan, I've not used a clip frame other than to test and stuff, but normally. So we're just repeating what I did earlier. So I go around 3 times. 1, 2. I'll go around one more for luck. There we have it. Done. Right, guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully it's helped some out. I suppose most of us know how to do it, but that's just my way of doing it. Probably a little bit quicker, less fussing about. Okay, thanks all.